on women. You heard me fucking right. Chainsaws were invented to perform C-sections on women because, according to studies, a woman's body was just so complicated that the tiny brain of a man can't comprehend that shit. That one fuck-ass machine from Rick and Morty. Bro. Yeah, no, is this not insane? Is this not insane? Like, you think when I ask, like, oh, why was the chainsaw invented? You would think, oh, it's for cutting down trees. The absolute look of horror when I had to fucking actually confirm that chainsaws were invented to perform C-sections on women?